morning to all of you. This is Shalu Adhikari in front of you, and today I lack my words with which to express my jubilation over the opportunity that has been given by the Deepak Sinha sir to speak over very relevant and interesting topic, that is my best friend. So first of all, I would like to introduce the value of friendship in our life. So friendship is one of the most beautiful, sacred and unbreakable bond between two humans, and it is the second relationship we make after our parents. Friends are the one who brings best in you. Friends are special just because they never make you feel alone, and they uplift you when you feel discouraged, when you feel alone. Also, they are the one who bring you to the right path when you are lost. They shows what is good and what is right. They are the biggest supporter of your life. In friendship, I can say that there is no negativity and negative feeling. As for example, anger issue, possessiveness, hatred, and jealous, and anger issue, etc. Because they will always run your relationships. So friendship is the purest bond, I can say. A real friend is always honest, dedicated, or non-judgmental, caring, and always helpful to you. And in our life, we always lose some friend just because of misunderstanding and distance. But on the other hand, we also get some real friends who always there in you, who are always there with you, and who believe in you no matter what the circumstances are. They are always with you in a good circumstances, in a bad circumstances as well. A true friend is one who feels happy and joy for your success, and also on the other hand feel gloomy for your failure. So in the journey of your life, you may find some friends and you may lose some friends, but best friends are the constant one and permanent one, and who match your vibes and hobbies and always there for you, and oldest one, your protector and your inspiration, I can say, will become your best friend in your life. And the qualities of a friend I have already told you. So in your life, you will find many turncoats and many wool finished clothing in the name of best friend, who can cheat you anytime. And to find a real one is really a hard nut to crack. But why? Because there is no dearth of a fair weather friend in your life who just shows off to be a good friend in your life. So it is your I can say it is your mind to differentiate one who is your real friend and who is a turncoat. Okay, so a best friend, I can say a best friend is the biggest supporter and backbone of your life. And so if I would like to say that who is my best friend, so my best friend is Ruby Thakur. But why? Because we have been friends since our childhood, and our relationship is unbreakable, and we have spent our precious 70 years, and seen many ups and downs together. She is the oldest one, and she is elixir of my life, and she never turns a deaf ear to my needs. She always helps me whenever I find myself in a tight corner. And she is really a brilliant lady. She is a lady of words, lady of hard work, and she is good looking, pretty, and dedicated towards her goals. And nowadays she is preparing for government exam, and also I am preparing with her. And she is a hard-working lady, and she loves teaching. Her hobby is teaching. So you see at home in teaching, and also she is all in all in her subject because she is really a brilliant. I can see her perseverance, her dedication, her strong will in her dream. She never loses her hope, and whenever she loses her hope, I am always there for her. Okay. But nowadays we are having some misunderstanding. So I guess we will soon fix this misunderstanding, and this happens in every relationship. So, in a nutshell, I would like to say that best friends are the backbone who always supports you in your life. But not everyone has best friend in their life. And in my point of view, it is not mandatory to have your best friend in your life. And what I am saying that just because not everyone has their best friend, because they find their best friend in their mother, father, sister, spouse, husband, etc. Also, most of the people have a large group of friends in which they are not unable to differentiate who is his best friend. So, in my point of view, and also most of the people and most of the students are not able to find the best friend because they are the purest one. They are not able to match the vibes of others. So they don't have any best friend. So for them, I would like to say that make yourself a best friend, make your own self, own soul as a best friend, and also be your own best friend. But for me, I would like to say that I am very fortunate and lucky to have a best friend, Ruby Thakur, and she is my inspiration and she is my weakness as well as my strength, because I cannot imagine to lose her, and in my imagination I just got frightened whenever and it's my habit to see her in my dreams. So you can visualize the importance of my best friend in my life. So there's a great importance of her in my life, and so I find myself very fortunate and lucky, and I'm just thankful to God to gift me a friend who always there for me in a tight corner, who has helped me in 17 years. I can say that it is rare to find a friend who is with you since your childhood, who has been with you since your childhood. Can you? No. So I am the